Oralia Year 10 Semester 1 Scales, you have to do up to level 5 now. Let's have a look at those. Scales, level 5. So you have to recognise major, harmonic minor, melodic minor, Aeolian, oh there's a new one, chromatic, and whole tone scales. Okay, these are interesting. So let's just run through all of these. Major, everybody's probably quite familiar with. Good old major, it just goes up and down, sounds quite happy. You should be used to those. Harmonic minors, don't forget these ones go up. They don't change at all. They stay the same for the whole scale. And they also have this sort of Egyptian thing at the top. Okay. The melodic minor does change at the top. So on the way up, it raises the 6th and 7th note. And on the way down, it lowers the 6th and 7th note. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6. So you'll hear that difference at the top. Alright, Aeolian. This is an unusual one. Aeolian is actually a fancy word for the what's called the natural minor, and the natural minor is whatever the key signature would be for the minor scale without doing any kind of changes, which the harmonic and melodic minor do. So, for example, this is what the Aeolian would sound like. Sounds very similar to the harmonic. The harmonic sounds like this. The Aeolian sounds like this. The only difference is one note, the 7th note. Chromatic. Chromatic is very easy. It's just every semitone in order. Straight up and down like that. And whole tone scale is every tone in order. Very unusual sounding scale, this one. Another interesting thing about that scale is that if you count the notes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it actually only has 7 notes before it reaches the top note. Alright, let's have a listen to some of these. Harmonic minor. Oh, this is our new one, Aeolian. Okay, lots of notes there. As soon as you hear lots of notes, you know that it's the chromatic scale. So it plays all these different notes in order. Okay. That's our good old Aeolian again, or natural minor. So see what it is basically is it's the minor scale with no adjustments up here to the 6th or 7th note of the scale. Just plays them as just the normal notes. Still played the key signature like it played this F sharp here. Okay. And that was that scale. Lots of notes, must be chromatic. I think this is the melodic. Let's just have another listen. Yeah, the top part. Well, it's really hard to hear that one, isn't it? Because, like I said, the scale changes on the way down. But we didn't hear the descending part of this scale, so not way to do it is the solfege ladder, I guess. Oh, no, that's not going to help you at all. Sorry. Ignore that. But this one is the melodic scale. The top, I guess the only other part to it is that the top part of the melodic scale, this part, is the same as the top part of the major scale starting on the same note. I don't know if you can hear that at the top there, it's the same. Okay, so see up the top here, this is the definition of what the melodic minor scale is. When it gets to the sixth note of the scale, we raise it. And they've raised that note because it is normally an E flat. So they've raised it to an E natural. And we've also raised the seventh note. In this case, it was normally just a normal F, because F is not in the key signature. So we've raised that to an F sharp. There's that really weird one. It's only 7 notes long as well. Good old chromatic. That's our harmonic one. We've just got that sort of Egyptian sounding thing near the top. Alright, and as you can see, as I said in the harmonic minor, they raise the 7th note only. Alright, the only one we haven't heard just then was the major scale, but hopefully you know what that sounds